Here I have TCL 20L, and today I'm going to show you how to lock apps with fingerprint on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the security section, then to the fingerprint sensor, then go to the manage fingerprints, then you have to enter your PIN. Then just enable this feature, unlock apps. Then you have to set up app lock, like throw an unlock pattern. I don't know why you can't use the same password as you have in the lock screen. So let's draw the pattern. Here you can set app lock time. After the screen is locked, after the screen is locked or app is closed, after the screen is locked, or 1 minute after app is closed. And here you can add apps to this list. Let's, for example, add Google Chrome and maybe, no idea, gallery. Okay. Let's do it one more time. Then tap here. And now, as you can see, I can't unlock Google Chrome without this pattern or without my fingerprint. And now I can. And the same goes for gallery. And after I lock my screen, as you can see, when I unlock it, the app is locked too again. And that's how it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.